Well, would you look who's wrenching on the mod sled again? Well, it's raining again. I'm pretty sure the other day I was saying how it never stops snowing here, but now it never stops raining here. Headed out for day 18 for me. What day is it for you, Taylor?
I've lost count. I think it's either 11 or 10. Is it? Something like that.
So your trip's coming to an end.
I know, so sad.
But yeah, we're going up one of my favorite zones again. Just do some tree riding since it's cloudy up there. And
Let's go get stuck.
Oh, I won't get stuck. Let's go get you stuck. Got the panel open on the mod sled again.
Just checking my lunch, man.
Well, we ditched the old guys, sent them on the logging road around, but got this cool little zone here, all these nice little pillow rock features, and it's deep into the drainage down here. I think Devin might be stuck somewhere over there. Might see a ski tip. Maybe we'll go give him a hand. Yep, we were right. Someone's got himself straight up and down. Gonna need a hand there. Well, we're doing a little filming action here. These cool features with the rocks in the background look pretty neat. Some people may think, how do you do so much filming in a day? But either way, I seem to burn a full tank of fuel in a day. So I'm getting my riding in. And my chocolate. What's your guys' favorite chocolate bar? All right, enough filming for now. Let's see if we can burn some gas. Well, for anyone that watches these daily and remembers when I got the Ontario boys lost in here and we came out late in the night, not really that late, but we're in the same zone. We're trying to climb it today. So I'm gonna look and see if I can find kind of like a mellow route. This isn't too bad through here. It's right in a drainage though, so it's all or nothing. We're sitting at nothing right now. But if I can make it up and make a few runs down it, then it should be pretty good for the guys to make a run up. So we'll see how that goes. No, the old snow scooter won't start.
Oh no.
Well, I just had it running a second ago. And now it won't start. I'm thinking it's just something to do with the kill switch because the shot won't even turn it over. So let's get into it. Well, I think I hear Devin coming up. He'll maybe give me a hand here, try and figure out what's going on. Well, I was gonna take the hood off to check out the connections, but I was able to get my hand up there and just wiggle it. And we got it going, so it must be a loose wire from when I changed my Monster kill switch. All right, Sled back together. The guys are making a run. Got lunch on the grill. Let's try and poke up. Are you okay? Turbo line? Not turbo line. You should.
Really nasty.
You should have jumped off there.
I wanted to swing it around the tree.
Yeah. Yeah, you have to go on one side, the sled has to go on the other though. Sorry, my backpack was upside down. Can you repeat that all?
Yeah, I got into a tree well a little bit. I gotta dig my sled out. I might need a hand in a bit.
Okay, I'll see what I can do.
No, I got some digging to do, so I'll be a bit anyways, just so you know.
I only asked you to repeat that all so I could get it on camera.
Oh yeah!
Well, kind of in a gut here, and my options aren't looking too good. So we'll see how this goes. Oh wow, you're in there. He thought he was gonna make it through this one, but I see a lot of shovels, or a lot of shoveling.
Minutes later.
Oh man, my arms are tired as could be. I just did like a 5-minute pull or something. I'll look on the GPS here and see how far it was. Well, it's close to 2K and probably about 1,500 vertical feet. I smell lunch now though. Hopefully it's not burnt. I think I'll just eat it up here and then go back down and see how Devin's making out with his tree well. Oh. When you see smoke billowing out your steering column, that means lunch is done. Not a bad mountain lunch. Some taquitos. They're even crispy. Tasty. Oh, and hot. Well, I thought it was my lunch smoking, but I think it's the plastics. That's how you know it was a hard pull.
Just like little drainages across it.
Oh, this is what come down to. Everyone shoveling for Shrek. Well, made it back up to the lake. I was here the other day with the guys. I don't hear any sleds though. Nice and peaceful. Well, I'm not exactly sure what everyone's doing, so I figured I'd make a tree stand. Got a couple clips going here. Well, it doesn't look like the other guys are gonna be here anytime soon, so we'll head back down the trail and see what kind of stuck fest we're looking at. Got some mass excavation going on today.
Stuck in the flat. You guys coming up and way up here. We're trying to stay on the spine.
We've got a little regroup here. I think Dave's just over there. We'll see if we can find a nice trail. Ooh. Bye-bye. Tried to make it up to my ice cave, but I got tired of walking. Yeah, now the blue sky teases us. So this is where I took the guys down the very first day they were here. If you look closely, you can actually see the track marks from Dave going into that tree. I told him he did a little better this time since he didn't end up in the tree. But I love this shit. Nice steep downhill. Well, we got the photo shoot going down here. I mean, it's okay. This guy's not even down yet, but his truck's running. We got Taylor for 1620. Big day. Taylor took 12 liters and I took 25. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. Might be a kind of boring one. I don't know if I recorded that much yet. I haven't even started editing it yet, but I picked up a little mic for the camera today, and we'll switch over to that audio in 3, 2, 1, 0. Hopefully it's going to sound a little bit better, but I'm not going to hold my breath because it was only $30, so I'm hoping it'll be better for like actually out sledding, maybe be able to pick up voices and stuff farther away. So yeah, again, hope you enjoyed today's video. Appreciate like, share, subscribe, whatever, and we'll see you tomorrow, day 19.